Hi all, welcome to Demystifying Markets. So this is a market profile learning video for the commodity market. So in everyday live trading session, we are doing a market profile learning analysis for index and for stocks. And this video is for separately commodity market. What we are going to see here in detail is crude oil, natural gas and silver as well. ஸோ மார்க்கெட் ப்ரொஃபைலோட லேர்னிங் வந்து என்ன மாதிரியான ஒரு அப்பியரன்ஸ் வந்து கமோடிட்டி மார்க்கெட்ல இருக்கும் அப்படின்றத பார்க்கலாம் அண்ட் என்ன விதமான அனாலிசிஸ் we can find it through market profile. So market profile is the base for this channel. So market profile பேஸா வச்சு தான் everyday we are doing a live trading session analysis. Along with that we are also having an index based video plus market profile learning also regularly shared. So market profile ஓட learning important பார்த்தீங்கன்னா crude oilலையும் natural gas and silver we have been selected the commodity market to have a view for August 9th. So August 9th குண்டான analysis வந்து நம்ம பார்க்கலாம் in detail. But நீங்க analyze பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் trade எடுங்க. This is purely for educational purpose. So crude oil வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா it has been very clear like yesterday market வந்து on August 8th market open and have a peacock. So peacock create பண்ணி market was having a single print. This is called a single print. So how it appears in index and stocks same way it is also apply பண்ணிருக்காங்க single prints வந்து இங்க வந்து form பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So market closed above this level. So this single prints could be a support அப்படின்றது வந்து it is a valid if at all the single prints are very strong enough to provide a buying support then this could be a better support system work ஆகுன்றத நம்ம பார்த்திருக்கோம். Even on live trading session we have many discussions regarding this. So பாத்தீங்கன்னா இப்போ single prints வந்து perfectா இன்னைக்கு market was open above the single print above this level but almost closing க்கு கீழ தான் open பண்ணிருக்காங்க. மார்க்கெட்டோட closing was almost 6420 and above but market was exactly open on the 6400 zone above. So market open and then it tried to find a support. If you see market got exact support on single prints today. The single prints which has been created yesterday was acting as a very good level of support system for crude oil today. So 6370 to 380. This is a very important zone because market வந்து அந்த இடத்துல single prints உங்களுக்கு create பண்ணிருக்காங்க and it is not only the single prints previous times market was having a poor high. So on top of it market has creating a single print. So this is a smart money ஓட ஒரு support system find பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Market was exactly taken a support here and market got reversed. So crude oil வந்து 6060 ல இருந்து market was completely reversed and 6400 they are creating a peacock. So yesterday peacock was at the level of 6320 whereas today it was 6400 zone above. So if you see very clearly crude oil பொறுத்தவரையுமே where it got perfectly rejected today. So this is a clear resistance because it has its own peacock at the level of 2nd August create பண்ண ஒரு peacock பாத்தீங்கன்னா almost 6450 where crude oil was perfectly rejected today. If you see the peacock zone it was perfectly rejected today. So and from there onwards it is turning as a OTF sellers. So considering crude oil பொறுத்தவரையுமே it has taken yesterday's single print as a base support and considering the peacock as a resistance or a rejection zone. So market what happens actually நேத்து க்ளோஸ் ஆன இடத்துல almost அந்த ஜோன்ல தான் market open பண்ணிருக்காங்க and market open ஆனோட they straight away come and take a support over here which is a very valid support zone அவங்க find பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Market took a support 6380 and we know it is a very important level because we do have the poor high almost in the zone of 6380. So market got a support and then perfectly it got reversed and the OTF buyers வந்து இந்த இடத்துல continue ஆயிருக்காங்க where you could see the continuity in the buying and then onwards what happened market exactly got rejected here and in traditional charts we don't know why this zone was getting rejected because 6400 was accepted price வந்து அந்த லெவலுக்கு மேல தான் ட்ரேட் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு market அந்த லெவலுக்கு மேல தான் after a long time because they have a peacock right 6400 after this only market is trying to build a balance. So above 6400 market got perfectly rejected at 6448. The question is it is because of this peacock. This peacock has been created on 2nd August to resist the upcoming price increase in crude oil above the zone of 6450. That is why the price actually not going above this level for so many days. It requires a consolidation and then a rally. So this how's the market profile helps in doing a market profile analysis for the commodity market. So crude oil பொறுத்தவரையும் perfect support and perfect resistance happened today, single print and PPOC rejection, and then onwards it is turning as a OTF sellers. So the important level of rejection is 6450. So above this level definitely crude oil ku ஒரு acceptance வேணும். So the next immediate resistance for crude oil after 6450 க்கு மேல பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is 6480. So this is an immediate zone of resistance for crude oil, and the next immediate zone for crude oil is 6520, which is a single print zone. So again this is going to be a resistance. So this is going to be the first level 6500, 480 to 500 and 520. So these are the two upside resistance for crude oil if at all crude oil clears the PPOC, because PPOC itself is a resistance and perfectly it got rejected today. So market perfectly took a support வந்து அழகா அந்த single printல எடுத்தாங்க, PPOCல rejection find பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So clear support and resistance has been identified in crude oil through market profile. So next moving on to natural gas. So natural gas பொறுத்தவரையும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா market was exactly in the day of poor high yesterday ஓட poor highல தான் market இப்போ இருக்காங்க. So yesterday market ஓட closing was almost in the level of 178 zoneல market closing கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இன்னைக்கு market was open exactly in the zone of above, that is day ஓட highல தான் market open ஆயிருக்காங்க. Previous day high market was open above this level of closing, and market was consolidating for a longer time because evening la we could able to see the movement of the commodity market very good. So on the level a balance create பண்ணி PPOC create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Yesterday's PPOC is almost 175, which is a very important zone because we have so many discussions in live trading session la நம்ம இந்த லெவல்ல நிறைய டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். That is why the horizontal line also drawn in this level, because it's a very important level and we have many PPOCs created at this level. So 175 is going to be a best level of support system for natural gas. So இன்னிக்கும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா அவங்க வந்து natural gasல PPOC create பண்ணிருக்காங்க, that is 181 above. So market is having a clear selling. S&T பாத்தீங்கன்னா continuity in selling, that is OTF buying continuity in buying. OTF buyers வந்து கண்டினியூவா இருக்காங்க. So further வந்து they need to clear this poor high. This is the only resistance as of now. இந்த லெவலை வந்து அவங்க clear பண்ணணும், that is very important. Market is above this level of poor high because if you see previously the clear resistance for natural gas above the day's high, that is poor high of yesterday, and the level க்கு மேல 184 க்கு மேல there is a clear PPOC rejection at the level of 188. So this is going to be the good level of resistance for natural gas as well. ஏன்னா அந்த லெவல்ல அவங்க create பண்ண date பாத்தீங்கன்னா almost 23rd July. So after that they don't have the pressure, buying pressure to cross the level. So what happened, every time a price increase is a sell on rise market. That works exactly in natural gas. So every price increase வந்து ஒரு sell on rise market மாதிரி create பண்ணாங்க, and market was perfectly got buying pressure. இப்போ வந்து market is trying to clear every type of resistance. So ஒரு resistance clear பண்றாங்க, and market was at the bottom having 175 level as a very strong level of support because market created two PPOCs at the same level. So in a daily index நம்ம பார்ப்போம், daily stock analysisல நம்ம liveல கூட we have a learning, like every time when they create a POC or PPOC in a same place, that definitely creates a value. That is going to be a ஒரு insight நம்மளுக்கு வந்து இருக்கும். So that could be a best level of support or resistance, but this is going to be a support, and then the resistance is almost the day's high of yesterday, that is 184. And above this level definitely we do have 188, which is going to be the clear resistance zone in natural gas. So above this level of 184 there is a price acceptance should be there, and above this level there is a clear resistance of 187.7 to 188 is going to be the first level of resistance for natural gas. So if at all market வந்து இந்த PPOC ல இருந்து, I mean if they are not able to clear the zone of poor high, then what happens, they try to re-enter to the zone of PPOC, and then if they come down also they have a very clear support, and this is going to be the best support for natural gas, that is 175. ஸோ ஏன்னா அந்த இடத்துல நல்ல ஒரு சப்போர்ட் சிஸ்டமாக அவங்க கிரியேட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ திஸ் ஹவு மார்க்கெட் ஒர்க்ஸ், திஸ் ஹவு த மார்க்கெட் ப்ரொஃபைல் ஒர்க்ஸ் இன் நேச்சுரல் கேஸ். கமோடிட்டி மார்க்கெட்டும் நம்ம வந்து இண்டெக்ஸ்ல என்ன பார்க்குறோமோ மார்க்கெட் ப்ரொஃபைல்ல சேம் வே இட் ஆல்சோ அப்பியர்ஸ். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் மூவிங் ஆன் டு சில்வர். ஸோ சில்வரை பொறுத்தவரையுமே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, ஸோ இட் இஸ் பீன் வெரி கிளியர், லைக் தே ஹாவ் a very clear responsive action. So market வந்து ஒரு responsive action வந்து clear பண்ணி market was closed almost above the zone. Yesterday பாத்தீங்கன்னா it was almost அந்த responsive action clear பண்ணி market was having a top closing yesterday. So it was having a single prints and both ரெண்டு single printsம் வந்து நேத்து வந்து create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Along with that peacock creationம் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Volume factorம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா நல்லாவே இருந்திருக்கு. So ரெண்டு single printsமே on top of it they have a close. So it's been very clear, like there is a good buying happens at the level of 79,000 to 78,900. Almost the zone is very clear buying zone. So market was completely having a good pressure of buying. Market started with that level and then it has too many single prints and then closing on above. So market open above the level of single prints and above the closing கிட்ட தான் market இன்னைக்கும் open ஆயிருக்காங்க. It was perfectly having a balanced market, a D-shaped market, having a peacock creation, and then if you see the single prints are acting as a good level of support for today. So 80,200 till that level it is having a perfect support in silver as well, because it has two single prints. And if you see the buying also in the responsive zone வந்து break பண்ணி market நேத்து close கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So it has a good buying pressure. That's the reason for அந்த responsive action அவங்க break பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னாலே they have a very good buying pressure. That is why the responsive sellers are inactive in the zone of selling. So they are actually allowing the price to go further high. So இங்க வந்து உங்களுக்கு single printsum clear create பண்ணி double confirmation they have created. On top of it they have a close. And today market is respecting the single print and creationம் அதுக்கு மேல தான் வந்து create பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. Profile is also building on the same level. So provided if they are moving from this peacock of today, then they have a clear one more immediate resistance for silver. Pathina, it was the single prints, the above level of single prints which has been created at the level of 81,100 and 81,370 to 81,700. Almost this is going to be a big zone, but again if you have the very immediate resistance is 81,100, because it is having a clear single prints of 2. How this buying single prints have been created, the same way the selling single prints have been created on the date of 5th of August. So only because of the selling single prints they have initiated on that day. That is the reason market could not cross this level for so many days, and they are holding this level under the single prints for 3 days. So market in the level of single print is having a much big selling pressure. That is why market could not cross this level. So இன்னைக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா single print ஓட closing was very good. Market is almost moving upside, but almost on the top of it they are having a single prints. So if at all market வந்து continue பண்றாங்க, that is above the 2 days high. So now the resistance is yesterday's poor high or yesterday's day's high. So after clearing this, they have a very clear resistance at the level of 81,100, which they need to clear first. For that, the price acceptance should be above the zone of 80,600. That is very clear. On top of it, again one more resistance, and this is going to be the next level of bigger single prints that is going to start from 81,400 to 81,650. So இந்த லெவலும் நல்ல ஒரு ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸா கிரியேட் ஆகும் சில்வரை பொறுத்தவரையுமே. So upside ஓட ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸை தாண்டி கம்ப்ளீட்டா அவங்க வந்து if they come out of the single prints they have a free zone. So until then they get anywhere rejection இருக்கலாம். அவங்களுக்கு வந்து எந்த இடத்துல வேணா உங்களுக்கு செல்லிங் வந்து இனிஷியேட் ஆகலாம். So this is regarding on the upside. So if at all market don't have the buying pressure to cross the single print, what they will do, they will come below. So இந்த இடத்துல வராங்க, peacock ல இருந்து வராங்க, that is especially 80,600 க்கு below வராங்கன்னா market could find anywhere a support system from the single prints they have. They have two single prints, right? So anywhere they could find a support. This is going to be the first level. 80,200 ல இருந்து they could find in 79,900 வரையுமே they can found anywhere the buying single prints oda supports எடுத்துக்கலாம், or else they do have the one more single prints as a support system. So there is a good support system for silver as well. So market is trying for the buying pressure காக தான் they are trying for to clear the level of poor high of yesterday. So இந்த level cross பண்றதுக்காக தான் they are trying, but again they have very good support system at the bottom. So silver பொறுத்த வரையுமே support இருக்கு, but they are trying for the resistance to clear. So this how the market profile appears for commodity market. So how we are seeing in live marketல வந்து நம்ம வந்து index பார்க்குறோம், stocks பார்க்குறோம். So likewise we can also do an analysis in commodity market, and this is one kind of example or one kind of learning which we are sharing in the market profile பொறுத்தவரையுமே என்ன மாதிரியான ஒரு analysis or என்ன மாதிரியான learning we could find in commodity market அப்படின்றத பார்த்திருக்கோம். So in all the three things like crude oil, natural gas and silver, and kindly do your analysis before you take trade for trading or for investment. This is purely for educational purpose. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time. So நீங்க analyze பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் trade எடுங்க.